let me tell you, when maybe there's a big man in the room or there's somebody you're liking, so you just have to laugh even at this most stupid thing the person is saying. Like, this economy is too much. I'm telling you.
Hey, it wasn't like it was not like
I don't understand. Like I was not there. Funny. You're so funny. Auntie, what is funny? You like the boy, we understand.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl talk with Crush, and today I bring you guys another new movie. Now, before that, I think you guys need to give me kudos, round of applause. I've been very consistent, okay, for weeks now. Okay, now the name of this movie is Shoot Your Shot, okay, and this movie is starring Fine Boy Clinton Joshua, Sonia Uche, Miwa Olorunfemi, Emmanuel McDen, Quindy Dudu, Benita Simon, alongside other amazing actors and actresses. And wait, before I forget, Honorable Uju Kennedy is also in this movie. Okay, now guys, let's go down to business. Now, this movie is about obviously a young woman who has achieved whatever is achievable for a young lady in her late 20s to achieve, or even her young age to achieve. She has done so much for herself. She has money, she has the name, she has the fame. But there's one thing she lacks. She lacks a better half, or her better half, a man in her life. Now, with that, obviously, comes the pressure from her mom, and her sister too was about to get married. So the pressure on her like doubled on, okay, you have to get a man, you have to do this, you have to do that. And she meets this young man who happens to be called Tony in the movie. And Tony is an amazing young man, a responsible, amazing upcoming photographer, okay? And Tony has a best friend known as Daisy, okay? So now, Tony and Daisy are best friends who live together. And then Ogechi, in quotes, who is the like very respectable young lady with money and all that, she falls in love with Tony. So Ogechi falls in love with Tony, but in the mix of that, the twist is Daisy, who happens to be Tony's best friend, is also in love with Tony. But she obviously doesn't know how to tell him in order not to ruin her friendship. So Ogechi and Tony start dating, and Ogechi, as a young woman would always do, wasn't like very comfortable with the fact that Tony and Daisy, of course, are best friends and living in the same house. Okay, she wasn't comfortable about it. Spoke to Tony about it. Even told Tony that she wanted Tony to like move out from the house he was with Daisy and move in with her, of which he did. But now, Tony, while doing all this, just found out that he wasn't actually in love with Ogechi. He liked the fact that, okay, he was with someone who was doing well for herself, but he necessarily was not in love with her. He also discovered that he was in love with Daisy. Now, Daisy, in order to show her displeasure of Tony and Ogechi being together, there was a shoot Ogechi did, and Daisy lied that she misplaced the flash drive when she did not, just because obviously she did not want Tony and Ogechi to be together. Now, this story is an amazing story, okay? The long and short of everything is Tony and Ogechi decided later to part ways because Tony obviously told Ogechi he wasn't in love with her. And he told Daisy he was in love with Daisy all this while, but he didn't want anything that was going to ruin their friendship. Okay? Which is beautiful to watch. Now, there is also Mike, who is Tony's cousin, who is in love with Daisy. But yeah, his brother is in love with Daisy, so there's actually nothing he could do about it. And he just let them be and let their love thrive. Now, this movie just shows to say love is beautiful. And your better half might just be closer than you think. That person you are friend zoning, girls, especially girls, we know how to friend zone people a lot. That person you are friend zone might just end up being your husband, or might just be your husband that you are not seeing. So when in search of a spouse, turn left, turn right, and look at that your best friend that is a boy, that is your husband, or that might be your husband. Okay, so guys, the name of this movie again is Shoot Your Shot. You can watch the movie at Uchena Umbanubu TV. Okay, thank you very much. This is where I say please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you've watched to this point, you're the real MVP. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. See you on the next one. Bye.